Now let's go ahead and make a really cool voting system where users will cast their vote on one of the nominees. And at the end, we will see who's the winner, tiger or lion. Now imagine this is the voting machine and there is a queue of the users coming to vote. So the first user votes for lion, second votes for tiger, third for tiger, next lion, and let's keep it short. Final user votes for tiger. And now comes the in charge of the voting machine and types exit to stop the voting process. So here comes the voting result. Tiger got 3 votes, lion 2, and clearly tiger is the winner. Looks good. Let's code this voting system now. First, some intro messages. Next, create two variables, one to hold the tiger votes and the other to hold lion votes. Initialize both with 0. We will use for loop here to keep asking for the vote. Set the condition to true so it keep running until we use break statement. Now let's ask the user to type lion or tiger to vote. And user input is gonna hold that value, whatever user will type. First, we will check if the user input is exit. If user input equals exit, in this case, simply stop the loop using break. And if the user input is tiger, we will increment the tiger votes by 1 and also print great, you voted tiger. And when the user input is lion, increment the lion votes by 1 and log the message you voted lion. Else, now this means user wrote something invalid other than tiger or lion. So show error message, wrong nominee. So that's all the loop should do. Ask the user to type the nominee. If the input is exit, terminate the loop. If it is tiger, increment the tiger votes. In case of lion, increment lion votes. And if user gives something else, show wrong nominee. Now outside the loop, we will display the results. First, tiger votes. Do the same for lion votes, and put the lion votes variable here. Next, we will show who's the winner. So if tiger votes are greater than lion, print tiger is the winner. And if when tiger votes and lion votes are equal, we will print votes are equal. Else, now this means lion votes are greater than tiger. That's the only possibility left. Lion is the winner. And finally, say voting system ended. That's all for the coding part. Now it's the time to see what we made. Okay, so type tiger or lion. Let's say lion. You voted lion, looks cool. Next, tiger, lion, tiger, lion again. Now let's say exit. And here comes the result. Tiger got 2 votes, lion 3, and lion is the winner. Our voting system is pretty much ready. Well, it is not. Let me show you a problem. For example, if I type lion like this, it says wrong nominee. But this is wrong. Actually, our program wants all lowercase letters. But we should allow the user to type in any case. So let's fix this in our code. It's very simple. This is where we get user input in the form of string. Okay, so this is a string user will type. Let's add a string method called lower at the end. So whatever user will type, that will be converted to a lowercase string. That's all we need to do. Let's have a look. Type all capital letters and that gets accepted. Perfect. Now as an exercise, please go ahead and do this application for 3 nominees, lion, tiger and jaguar. See you in the next video.